break my heart. Everyone before you was a waste of time. Yeah, you got me. I would have stayed at home, 'cause I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should have stayed at home, 'cause now that you're letting it go, am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart? Oh no, I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should have stayed at home, 'cause now that you're letting it go, am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart?
Hi, it's me, Justine. Thank you for listening to this short fragment of Break My Heart by Dua Lipa. And if you would like to learn to sing it in harmony, just click the link here or in the description. On my channel, you will find harmony tutorials with a lot of different songs by Billie Eilish, Harry Styles, Lady Antebellum, Katy Perry, Lady Gaga, and many more. So make sure to check this out. And if you are here to listen rather than sing, check out this playlist or follow my YouTube channel. Thank you once again, and see you next Friday in a new harmony game. Bye.
Oh no, I was doing better alone. But when you said hello, I knew that was the end of it all. I should have stayed at home, 'cause now that you're letting it go, am I falling in love with the one that could break my heart?